It was a quiet Saturday morning in the small town of Dubbo. Mia had promised to help her mate Josh move some furniture, so she rocked up in her old ute, ready to lend a hand. "G'day, legend," Josh grinned, waving from his front porch. "You're a lifesaver. The couch is a beast?" "No dramas," Mia said, hopping out. "Let's chuck eating and hit the road." They loaded the couch, a couple of boxes, and a wonky lamp into the tray. Mia tied everything down with a few old straps and gave it a once-over. "Reckon that'll hold?" "Should be sweet," Josh nodded. But 10 minutes down the road, as they hit a bumpy bit of gravel, they heard a loud thump. Mia pulled over quick smart. "You've got to be kidding," she muttered. The lamp had gone flying, straight onto the road. Josh winced. "Yeah, that one's cactus." They burst out laughing, and Josh picked up the broken lamp, now more art than appliance. "Classic," Mia said, shaking her head. "Next time, you're hiring a trailer." They drove on, still giggling. When they finally rocked up at Josh's new place, a nosy neighbour peeked over the fence. "Bit of a rough trip, was it?" the woman called out. Josh held up the busted lamp. "Yeah, you could say that."